5 lenders, 5 companies that will give your new business some credit. It'll help you build your business credit fast. And also these 5 companies do offer really nice credit cards. Throughout this video, I will be teaching you guys some secret methods on how to build your business credit fast. I'll be showing you all the perks to these companies and what they offer. And by the end of this video, you will learn how to build your business credit extremely fast, even if you just started your business a couple weeks ago. My name is KINGLATTA. This is Black Investors Group, where we make investing easy. We post daily over here, man. So subscribe to the family. Don't miss out on this good information daily. We learn how to make money all different types of ways over here on this channel, and today we're going to be hopping into how to build your business credit. So with all that being said, stay tuned for more after the intro. Woo! So the first lender I'm going to be going over with, the first company that will give your new business some credit, guys, is going to be Shell. Yes, Shell gas station. And with Shell, they have over 14,000 locations and they do easy, fast approvals. This works with revolving credit, and guys, there is no card fees. So with Shell, it is a gas station, guys, so you can easily, you know, every time you get gas, use this gas card and start racking up some business credit simply by paying for your gas and paying that off with your debit card as you go on through the month. So boom, guys, as you can see right here on the desktop, we have destination efficiency, and you can see all the different cards that Shell has to offer. They have the Shell Fleet Plus, they have the Shell Small Business, they also have the Shell Fleet Navigator, and these are all the different cards you can choose from. And as you can see, guys, no card fees on all of these cards. You can save up to 5 cents per gallon at Shell stations with the Navigator card. And guys, they have fleet management, they have our fleet cards, and this is more so for if you are in a transportation business. But even if you're not in a transportation business, even if you have, let's say, a clothing business, you can easily get this card still and boost your business credit just by buying gas, because we still know we need gas to get wherever we need to go. So on to the next one. So the next card that we got up is called Brex, guys, and Brex is one of the best credit card companies to go with for business to help build your credit. So on Brex, they have fast ACH, they have checks, and they have wires, guys. They are FDIC protection up to $6 million. And you can earn up to a 4.93 yield, guys. And also you can access 100% of your funds at any time. And guys, there's a fast setup, easy diversification, and all accounts are in one place, and they have automated bill pay as well, guys. Everything you need with Brex right here. As you can see, set budget limit $3,000, and you can turn your card on and off, you know, everything that you need with Brex. And I'm just gonna show you guys some more benefits here. As you can see, they have a lot of products as well, guys. They have expense management, they have travel where you can search, book, and control global travel. They have global corporate cards, they have bill pay, venture debt, and financial modeling, guys. They have the business account, as you can see. But let's go to this venture debt and see what that's all about. And you can extend your runway with venture debt, and accelerate growth, extend runway, minimize dilution, and gain support. So with venture debt, you can get on track to raise at larger valuations and extend your runway. So let's see if we qualify. And then this is when you would submit all of your information, your company website, guys. And when you are applying for these business loans for business credit, guys, you always want to put that you are making, you know, a little bit more money than what you are. Okay, you don't want to seem like you are a failing business, so you just make sure you put everything correct, guys. And your industry, a lot of times, a lot of businesses don't like to see real estate or trucking businesses. So whatever your niche is, guys, whatever industry you're in, make sure, if it is real estate or trucking, make sure if you're watching this and before you start your LLC, make sure you don't put real estate in your LLC name or trucking in your LLC name. And for the third one, guys, we have Novo. And with Novo, guys, this is business banking that saves you time and money. Okay, so with Novo, you can get up to 90% faster payments with the Novo Boost, free ACH transfers, thousands of dollars in exclusive perks, and unlimited ATM fee refunds. All right, and with Novo, you can use this through Stripe, Square, Shopify, Wise, and Intuit QuickBooks. It's easy transfers you can apply in minutes, and they also have the FDIC insurance, online banking, and everything you need, guys. Charge up to $20 per month in fees and $3 per transfer and up to $25 for incoming wires. So those are the couple of fees that they have there. And I know the title is 5, but we're gonna give you 6 in this video because, like I said, man, this is Black Investors Group where we make investing easy. So all I need is to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button, so we can get this video pushed out in the YouTube algo and help more people learn how to make this money the easy way and boost their business credit. So I'm gonna give you guys 6 lenders, 6 companies, and for the 4th one is going to be called Stripe. So Stripe is a financial infrastructure for the internet, guys, and you can see all of the companies that they work with down here. And this is also another good way to go if you are trying to build your business credit. All you have to do is simply just go and apply up here, guys. You can see all the products that they have. You can see that they have all these products and they have all these softwares for you, and then you can go to the pricing and see exactly what you need, man. And for the 5th one, guys, for the 5th business credit, we have, you know, Sam's Club. We have Sam's Club, and also Sam's Club is actually a very, very good card. This credit card is 5% cash back, 2% for Plus members, and 3% with this Sam's Card MasterCard. So Sam's Card is a pretty good one. You can get 3% cash back on dining, 1% on all other purchases, and as you can see, you have some comps right here. So you can get with this credit card 5% cash back with the MasterCard on gas, and 3% in Sam's Club purchases. And the MasterCard seems like the way to go, but they both have no annual fee, and they are accepted at Walmart and Sam's Club nationwide. And it's also an easy approval, guys. It's an easy apply. All you would do is press apply now right here, enter your information, man, enter your membership number if you already have one. If you don't, man, go ahead and get signed up with Sam's Club, because even if you don't know what Sam's Club is right now, once you get signed up with them, once you create a membership, guys, they have cheaper gas. So when you go to the gas station, no matter what city you're in, their gas is $3.70 right now. Sam's Club gas is always going to be like 30 cents cheaper. And then imagine you get this credit card. Now you're going to be saving 5% on gas, and it's already 30 cents cheaper. Also, Sam's Club has a lot of products in bulk, so you can buy a lot of things that you need for your home in bulk with Sam's Club and save 3% cash back on it. For the 6th and final company that we're going to be going over with, guys. Before I get into my final company, man, don't forget to check out the useful links in the description where we do offer coaching calls for a very cheap price. You can get a 10 to 30 minute conversation for only $10, and I will help you boost your business credit, and I will even help you start your business, your trucking business, your dispatching business, and even your online business. Because if you don't know already, this is Black Investors Group, and we have a lot of videos on trucking and dispatching and online business over on the channel. Also, man, don't forget to check out the YouTube memberships where we do have exclusive investing tips with no ads, no promo, and no fluff, straight to the point information, all on the YouTube memberships for a very, very discounted price. Get it before the price goes up. And don't forget to check out the Lotta ebook store where you can get cheap ebooks so you can learn how to invest the most easiest way possible. Back to the video. Woo! So guys, the 6th and final website that I'm going to be going over is going to be Office Max. So with Office Depot and Office Max, you can get a lot of different credit cards here. They have a personal credit account, and as you can see, here are the perks right here. And they also have a business credit account with 2 business cards that you can choose from. And the first line of business card, you can save 10% by statement credit on your first purchases, maximum savings up to $50, low monthly payments or pay in full. You can track your purchases and there's no annual fee. And then for the second card that they do offer, the payment is due in full each month. So this will help you boost your credit, because I don't know if you guys know or not, but if you do pay your card in full each month, your credit will skyrocket. Either it's personal or business, okay? So the key to building credit, guys, is to keep your limit under the 30%. So if you have a $1,000 credit limit, guys, you don't want to spend any more than $300. And the best way to boost your credit fast is, say you spend $300 for the month, is to go ahead and pay that $300 back, not on the day of the statement, guys, but a couple days early. Or even the better way to do it is to pay $150, you know, a week after you spent the money, and then the next following week is paid the other $150. So now you have 2 payments, saying that you're consistent on your payments and that you're an early payer. So guys, these are the offers that Office Depot and Office Max has to offer, guys. They have a lot of different deals. They have rewards offers, so let's check this out right here. And these are all the different rewards that they have right here, guys. And even if you're not looking for office supplies, you can still get this credit card, buy a couple of things with the buy a couple of products for your business. It doesn't even have to be for your business. It could just be anything in general, and then just pay that back each month. Or, you know, get the card, increase your credit limit, because now you have a more credit limit because you have this card. Now you can easily use your credit utilization. Use this, keep it under 10% if you need to. Keep it under 10%, but you know, you're gonna have multiple lines of credit, and that is the key to building credit. You want multiple lines of credit. So now you have this Office Max card, now you have this Sam's card, and now you have this Brex card. You got 3 lines of credit, all in the positive, all saying that you're under 30%. And now your business credit is gonna get skyrocketed up in the first 4 months, even 6 months of you starting your business. Now you can get loans up to 50K, 100K in business funding. But that is it for this video on the 6 credit card lenders, the 6 companies that will offer you some credit for your business, guys. You got Brex, you got Shell, you got Office Max, you got Sam's, and you got Lovo, and then you got Stripe, guys. All 6 just off the top of my head, just like that, man. Some people in the comment section say I'm reading a script, but it's all off the head, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the useful links in the description, man. Schedule your coaching call, get a one-on-one with me, learn how to start your business the fastest way as possible, and comment down below which credit card company you're gonna go with. Also comment what video you want to see next, and I will make it my best effort to make that video. Don't forget to like this video, make sure it gets pushed out to many others, share it to your friends so your friends can boost their business credit fast, because you want to get rich together, man. You don't want to get to the top and have nobody climbing to the top with you, because it is lonely at the top, man. So don't be stingy on the information, pass the information on, guys. Share this to your friends, and make sure you subscribe to the family for more great investing tips. This is Black Investors Group. My name is KINGLATTA. Until tomorrow, we out. Woo!
You talking money